If you have failed the CMA exam, this episode is for you. Let's go. Welcome to a new episode of 2-Minute Thursday. I want to dedicate this entire episode to only one question because it's a very important one, and it's for those who have failed the exam and don't know what to do next. So I'm going to give you a couple of tips on how to prepare for the second time around to ensure that you pass it once and for all. Tip number 1, identify your weaknesses. Without really understanding what went wrong, it's going to be very difficult to plan out a new strategy to help you pass the exam the second time around. The good news is that Prometric is going to send you a performance report. Normally it's published 45 days after the exam window has closed. Once you get this report, you will see all the different sections of the exam with a letter grade. Identify the ones that you performed the worst and create a new plan that will help you zero in on those sections first. Once you have reviewed those sections and you feel confident in those topics, then proceed to review the other sections that you did very well. You do want to review those before your exam because there's a lot of content to memorize. Tip number 2, keep your mindset positive. Mindset is going to be crucial during this second time around because once you've taken the exam and failed once, the fear of failing again is going to be a little bit bigger, if you know what I mean. So keeping a positive mindset will help you get through this process, but more importantly, it will help you succeed and pass your exam. Remember that 55% of candidates fail the exam as well. This is not an easy exam, so give yourself some grace, be patient with yourself, and be kind to yourself. Remember that you will succeed the second time around because you're starting from a good foundation where you didn't have one before, right? So now stay positive with the mindset that you will succeed the second time around. Tip number 3, correct poor study habits. Look back and see what went wrong. Where did you study? Did you study with the TV on? Was it a distraction? Did you study while listening to a podcast? Did you study in an environment that was not conducive to learning? Think about that and really change that environment because for the second time around, you do want to create an environment that will help you study and will be conducive to your learning. And tip number 4, remember to memorize all your equations. I'm not sure if you did this the first time around, but if you didn't, it's so important to memorize the equations and the formulas in your textbook because in the exam, you will be tested. So it's better to know them by heart than not to know them all, right? And the last tip that I have for you today is to not wait too long to retake the exam. If you wait for another 6 months, knowledge retention will become a challenge. So my advice to you is to prepare now and get ready to take the exam again in the next exam window coming up. Those were the tips that I have for you today. I hope you found them helpful. If you want to reach out to me, drop a comment below and I'll respond to all your questions. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.